Hey guys, back again with another camera glass replacement. Today we are working on a Samsung S20 FE. The repair difficulty of this glass replacement is 3 out of 10. The first thing that you have to take into account while doing this glass replacement is the back cover. The back cover of this device is made out of plastic, and if you're not careful while using the heat gun, you risk to melt down the back cover and you will eventually have to replace it also. You can simply use a common hair dryer, or you can use a heat gun like I am doing it in this video. I'm using the lowest setting on my heat gun so that nothing gets melted down or damaged. Take your sharp knife, sharp tool, and insert it inside one of the side of the broken glass. If you have a good temperature on the broken glass, it is going to start to lift itself up. You just have to be careful and patient while doing this. So while using a sharp tool like a blade that I have, you need to be careful also and put some gloves that cannot be cut, and you have your fingers safe. You see, we have the cameras open in the air. You need to be careful also while inserting your tool not to damage the cameras. Make sure that you do not touch the cameras while you remove pieces of broken glass. The process is very simple. You need your tool to lift a piece of glass and then use your fingers to pull the portion of glass that is already peeled out. And I was facing a little bit of resistance, so I had to heat up the display once again to make sure that the glass can be peeled out more easily. The other thing to take into account is the dust that is produced by the cracking glass. You need to make sure that you tap the device on a surface to make sure that all the dust, all the debris of glass get dropped while you remove the other portion of the broken glass. Let's go ahead and heat up the broken glass of the other side to make sure that it is heated up a little bit, and then we can go ahead and insert our tool and lift the pieces of glass slowly, but we still need to make sure that we do not touch the cameras and avoid any camera damage. I was heating the broken glass for 5 to 10 seconds at a time and then started to put the tool in order to remove the other portion of the glass. This is a repair that can take you 20 minutes from start to finish. If you have more experience, it can take you only 10 minutes to start and finish this glass replacement. The type of double-sided tape that Samsung used under the glass is what makes it really good in a water condition. This device is IP68 rated for water resistance. So the secret for doing a camera glass replacement is take your time. And especially with this device, which has a plastic back cover. A plastic back cover is going to get melted down if you use too much heat. So that's why I'm getting a little bit of struggle to remove the last portion of this broken camera glass. So just like that, we can remove the last portion of the broken camera glass. Everything has been removed. We have very minimal glue left on the camera bezel. This is a very good camera glass removal. We just need to tap gently the device on a surface to make sure all the debris, all the pieces of glasses can get dropped, and then we can go ahead and start the installation of the new camera glass. Tap gently one more time, and this is the new camera glass that we are going to install on this device. But before we do that, we need to check the cameras to make sure that all 3 rear cameras can focus and we do not have any blurry situation. It is crucial to test your cameras before you install the new camera glass. Everything looks normal. Let's move to the next step. Use your sharp tool to remove the green film that is protecting the double-sided tape on the back of this camera glass. You can either use your fingers or a sharp tool like I'm doing it in this video to remove the green film. And we are fully ready to install the new camera glass. You just have to align it with one side and then just drop the camera glass on the camera bezel and use your tool to adjust the position of the camera glass. When you see any kind of misalignment, adjust a little bit and start to apply a little bit of pressure with your tool to make sure that everything is fully seated and flush. At this point, we still need to do something before we can say that this camera glass replacement is done. So just do a quick inspection of the camera glass, the new camera glass that you've just installed. You can start to apply some pressure with your fingers all around the camera glass. Make sure that you apply a little bit of pressure for at least 3 to 5 minutes. So I really think this camera glass replacement is a 4 out of 10 because of the plastic back cover that you have to take into account while removing the camera glass and replace it. After all that, do a final inspection of the camera glass and then you can say the job is done. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Let them know that it is very easy. See you guys next time.